Welcome and to Alphamantraining.com. Once again, evening game for day game. Maybe you think it's risky, but for example, I'm wearing gloves. Also, I have a mask. So when I approach a girl, I use both items. How to find a girlfriend during Corona time and spend evenings with her while watching movies and fucking her. So that's the basic question, and this question was sent by one of our followers. So we will answer to this. So first thing, during Corona time, you need to approach at least 10 girls a day. The best time to approach them is from 1 p.m. till 8 p.m. at the evening. To set up a date is the best time at 7 p.m. So to approach them, you will need, gloves and mask to approach them, because in that way you give them safety. You start to touch them using your gloves, and later you remove those gloves. In that way they trust you more, and they see that your hygiene is on a high level, and they trust you more, and you break that cold approach. Like, she doesn't know you, maybe you have already coronavirus, and she cannot trust you. So actually, maybe she's thinking you having coronavirus or not. So, but she wants you to approach her. She wants to approach her in a public transport or on the street. She's sitting and she's waiting when you will approach her. So all power is in your hands. All power is in your hands. Because if you will not approach a girl, if you will stay at your home all the day, your all skills of communication will drop down. By each day they are dropping down. You also getting older. You're losing your time. So if you wash your hands, use gloves, use mask, you use antiseptics, or just you wash your hands with alcohol and you kill those bacteria, so you can approach. You can approach and you can talk to her. For example, here in Lithuania, in Vilnius, they did quarantine for 2 weeks. But they will expand this quarantine time for more 3 weeks. I think they will do this until all people will come from abroad, and they will test them, and they will end up this. So just imagine, you will approach a girl, your approach will be correct. She will give you her number, you will set up a date, you will meet her. Then you will go and will watch movies with her. For example, you will go to your place or you will go to her place. You will use this Corona time. You will watch movie, you will develop relationships, you will have sex with her, so your life will change. But you need action. Also, take a responsibility. If you will not take action, if you will not go, your all skills of communication, of talking to people, will drop down. Actually, you will become worse and worse by each day. Still, during this Corona time, you can find at least 10 girls to approach during the day. At least 10 girls. So what will happen? You will invest to our DVD 2020 brand new DVD from Approach to Sex with 5 different girls. You will see all new techniques. You will also read our book, How to Become an Alpha Man. And when you will go to apply those systems during the day, you will find a girl, and in a 1 month period you will send us report with an attached photo of this girl. We will blur out her face, all private details like name, name of her jacket or something else. So you will send. So you will send us, and we will together celebrate your success. As you know, Corona it's very likely that you will get this bacteria to your immune system. But just, you know, if you're enough young person and you take care of yourself, you have hygiene, you are working out, you eating healthy food, so your immune system will destroy that coronavirus bacteria, and you will get stronger immune system after that. Because they already did a research, they actually tested all people in one small village in Italy, and all those people was injected by coronavirus. They already got that coronavirus, but like 80% of those people didn't feel any symptoms, like, you know, coughing, like having temperature or anything else. So don't stop your life. Don't stop your life. Take care of yourself. Approach girls. Don't be a tree, because a tree cannot move and it can be cut by any time, by any date. But you have all the power in yourself, all the control, and you can do that. So good luck in your life. Invest into all our products. Send us at least driving licenses or the bestest government ID, because we protect this knowledge. We don't want you to share anybody, to tell anybody. Just have for yourself, use both knowledge for yourself, approach a girl and use our systems, because those girls are waiting you. They standing in a bus stops. They actually, they like to be approached. They like to be approached. Yeah, she's a kid, but still, she will grow up and she will be a lady to approach. Okay, so what else I need to tell you? After PayPal payment, or you can buy straight with your debit or credit card, the products will be unlocked on your account. If you want to be anonymous and don't send us your government ID or driving licenses, start with one product. Invest, stay anonymous, but if you will want later to invest into more products, we definitely will ask you to send us your government ID. So good luck. Play chess, eat healthy, wash your hands, kill those bacteria with proper items like spray, and other things. And approach girls and send us report. Send us report from day game. For example, you approached a girl, she was in a bus stop or she was near a bridge. You approach her, you talk to her, write what you talked to her, how you was feeling, attach one photo of that place where you approached her and send us. We want to see your success. We want to see how your life is changing. Yes, exactly. Yeah, she's not letting me to talk, she's thinking that she can do anything she wants, but actually she's not a driver of this bus and can do nothing. Okay, so what else? What else? Yes, you invest into all our products, or you start with one product like Anonymous. Later on you send us government ID. You learn everything from that product. You go by yourself and try, execute, and then in a 1 month period you send us a report with your success story with attached photos. That's pretty much it. Invest and change your life. Until next time, see you.